Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send and receive messages on iMessage. First of all, unlock your iOS device and tap open the Settings app. From the Settings app, scroll all the way down and look for Messages. If you don't see it there, tap on Apps, and under Apps, look for Messages app and tap on it. Make sure that your iMessage is enabled first. Go to the iMessage tab from this messages screen and toggle on the button right next to it until it turns green. Once it does, go back to the home screen and tap open the green messages icon. Now click on the compose or the pencil button at the top right corner and type the name of the contact, phone number or Apple ID email. The name will turn blue if the other person has iMessage. If it turns green, then this means they are using regular SMS. If you see anyone's name turning blue, simply tap on their contact and then in the iMessage thread at the bottom, go ahead and write down your message. After you do that, you can then tap on the blue send arrow button at the bottom right and you will see delivered or read below the message if it's successfully sent via iMessage. When someone replies, you'll get a notification. And that's how you send and receive messages on iMessage quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.